Rachel, and today I'm back with another plan with me inside of my Hobonichi weeks. This time we're going to be doing a monthly spread. We're going to be doing the November spread, and a little bit late as well. It's actually around the 14th of November, I think. Yeah, it's the 14th of November today. So we are a little bit late. I'm just going to put the camera down a little bit. I think we're a little bit high. That's better. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't really matter because we're in lockdown at the moment and nothing is going on, so I haven't really missed anything. So we've got this beautiful kit from Isabel the Owl. Now I'm not actually sure whether or not this kit is still available. I actually bought this last year and then I forgot that I'd bought it and bought another November monthly and ended up using that. So I did hoard this for the year so that I could use it this year. I never know whether or not to start over the top of there. I'm not going to cover over the top of there actually because you're going to be able to see through it. So I'm going to just go next to it like so. I'm going to try and get that down straight. So yeah, I'm not sure if this kit is still available. We will have to have a look and see. But it is a beautiful winter themed kit, and I'm actually quite pleased that it's winter themed because I feel like I'm sort of done with autumn now. I've just used a Paper K pumpkin, oh I can't speak today. I've just used a Paper K pumpkin patch kit as my weekly, and I feel like I'm done with autumn now. I'm ready to move on to winter. So we have got this left here, and we have got a bit of space here and a bit of space here as well. I think at the bottom what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the bow one, and I'm just going to just fill up that bit of space there with this. I'm just going to make sure I line it up. So that fills up that little bit of space there. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to cut this down. Is this removable sticker paper? Yeah, it is. So what I can do then is if I find my slice tool, which is in here. I've lost my washi card though, which is not ideal. Here we go, found it. Right. So what I can do then is I'm going to use the side that has got the most decoration on, I think. In fact, actually, I feel like I want to slit like right down the middle on both sides so we get that big. I think that is what I'm going to do. Just bear with me a minute. You might think, what on earth is she doing? But most of the decoration is in the middle. So I'm going to cut the ends off on both sides and we'll have the foil left behind. Because this is removable sticker paper, then I can do that without too much of a fuss. There we go. And then this bit that I've got left, I wonder if I could use a bit of it up there. I'm going to trim this down as well and just use a bit of decoration in this corner because obviously the first is on the Sunday. I'm not going to have a box for everyone, but I don't really want to waste this because it's a beautiful foiled snowflake and it deserves to be loved, so we're going to make use of it. So how are you guys? How has your week been going? I hope you're all doing okay. We're near the end of lockdown now, aren't we? So, well, no we're not actually, Rachel, that is optimistic. We're midway through, aren't we? I think it's estimated to end on the 2nd of December. So we've got a couple of weeks left. I don't feel like it's made too much of a difference to my life because I still have the kids at school, so I'm still doing school run. And during the week, I would only go to the shops anyway, and food shopping as well. So I've still got access to those kinds of shops. Maybe I'm missing out on going for tea with my family. Obviously Chris and the kids, and going out for tea with my best friend. We would try and go out once a week or maybe once a fortnight for tea, and obviously I'd go around to hers for a brew and stuff, and we can't do that at the moment, which is a bit sad. But yeah, for the most part I feel like I'm doing alright. I feel like if the schools had been closed I would have been affected by it a lot more. I'm just trying to think whether or not I want to washi the days and then put the numbers down. And I'm even wondering if I actually even want to use these numbers. I'm going to get some washi. I'm going to get some washi and I'm going to have a think and see what I want to put down. So I'll be back in 1 second when I've chosen. So I've had a little look through my washi collection. Ideally, I would have wanted to use this gold, but I don't have enough. I'm not going to have enough. So I've picked this sort of very muted pink with the gold bows on. It's not an exact match to the colour of the kit, but I feel like I can get away with it. So I am going to go with that. And then I don't know whether or not I want to use the date dots from the kit. I can't decide. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this here over the top of where the dates are, and then just, oh, my hand is not strong enough there. Just use my washi card to roughly rip that off. I'm not bothered about it being mega neat or anything like that. I think that I quite like it when it looks a bit rustic. So that's what I'm going to do. So you've seen me do a couple of those. I'm going to disappear off the camera, do those, and then I will jump back in and we'll make a decision what we're going to do about the numbers. So I've got the washi down and I'm really pleased with how that has turned out. I don't think I am going to use those numbers. I think they just don't stand out enough. No, they don't stand out enough. So I am going to have a look in my numbers folder and see what I've got. The foil on this kit is gold, so we need to find some gold numbers. Just want something that stands out a little bit more. I don't have a full month's worth. This is the thing actually. Am I going to have a full month's worth of gold numbers? I do. That was lucky. I'm going to go with those, I think. You might think they're a little bit in your face, but I just think that these ones here are just a little bit too small. And I just want something that stands out a little bit more. So I'll put a couple down so you can see what it's going to start looking like, and then I will do the rest off camera and I will come back in. These are the Filer Fabulous ones. Filer Fabulous at the moment aren't selling these anymore. I don't think she's changing what she sells in her shop, which is a bit of a shame because I love them. But yeah, I think I quite like those actually. I like how that's turning out. Right, I'm going to do the rest of that off camera and then I'll come back in a second. Okay, so I've got the date dots down and I'm actually really happy with them. I'm happy that I decided to switch them out from the little ones on here. I just think they stand out and give it a little bit more, yeah, a little bit something extra. I've also written down the two things that I've had going on. It was my nan's birthday on bonfire night and it was Paige's school photographs yesterday. Don't have anything else to write in because obviously it's going to be one of those months that is pretty quiet due to us being in lockdown. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. Really like the sticker paper of the Isabel the Owl kit. This will be the last monthly that I do in this Hobonichi because I am going to move into my Hobonichi for 2021 and I'm going to go in December. Because obviously it starts on the 30th of November. That does mean that I won't have a full year in here, but I'm not too bothered. She's getting a bit too chunky and I am struggling to sort of write and stick stickers down at the end. So I've made a decision that I am going to move into that in December. So you'll get that setup video soon. I'm going to film that very soon for you. I hope you like this video. Just a quick one, but I wanted to show you how I set up my monthly because I do enjoy doing it and I don't tend to focus on it too much. We just go into the weeklies, don't we, and do plan with me's in there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stuck with me till the end, thank you so much. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. If you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Guess who forgot to put the dates on the top? But they're on one long strip, so it won't take me a second. I was going to do it, but then I just thought I might as well just pop back on and show you that I've done it, because I bet some of you were absolutely screaming at your phones or your tablets, whatever you're watching this on, letting me know that I'd forgotten to put those on. And literally just realised as well as I was about to put the scraps in my reusable sticker book. So yeah, we've got those on, and now that's a completed spread. Okay, I'm going again, guys. I'll see you soon.